everyone, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I share tips on how you can make money online. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm and supports the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my money making online content. Today I'm going to look into a website called earnnut.com. This website claims that it will pay you money for simply watching videos, taking surveys, and downloading games. The website is easy to navigate. There is earn button, offer button, cash out, rewards, and many more. You can also make money with the website by having affiliates, which is inviting people or friends to sign up for the website, play the games, take the surveys, watch the videos, and as they earn, you earn also. So on this website, you're going to complete tasks like playing games, watching videos, taking surveys. You can make money from anywhere and you're going to withdraw your money instantly. If you want to get started, all you have to do is simply put in your email and click on where it says get started. They have something called daily task ladder. On Mondays, you are going to earn 1000 nuts. From Tuesday to Saturday, you are going to earn 500 nuts. And on Sundays, you are also going to earn 1000 nuts. These are daily tasks that you have to complete, which consist of 11 tasks. The tasks range from taking surveys, watching 3 videos, and downloading 5 games. Once you start earning with the website, you can withdraw your money through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and others, or simply choose PayPal, Google Pay, or directly into your Visa card. You can click on the earn button to see the kind of offers that they have. For watching videos, they have several offer partners like Point Click Track, Torox, BitLabs, and more. For taking surveys, they also have multiple partners. When you click on the offers button, you can see the several games that they have for you to download. Just from one game, you can earn over 91,000 nuts, and 1,000 nuts equals to $1, so you can imagine how many thousands of dollars you can make. Even though most of the times the task or the games that you have to play have certain rules and it may take a lot of time, but still it is kind of worth it. The amazing thing about this website is that they have endless games for you to play and download. These games could last you at least 3 months and you'll still have more games for you to complete. Also, don't forget to refer your friends and family so that you can get your affiliate codes. These affiliate codes can help you win even more rewards or more nuts. So go ahead and check the website. Also, if you are interested in knowing the best transcription jobs available for Africans, click on the video on your screen. And if you have come so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.